Hi guys, here's how I make perfectly crispy cake crust at home. To start off, mix together the oil and sugar. Now unfortunately the bowl on my mixer does not rotate, so I'm having to use a spatula to mix it thoroughly. I'm adding one egg at a time slowly and mixing it together. I'm adding almost a pinch of food coloring, but this is completely optional. Lemon essence, alternatively you could use lemon zest as well. Orange essence. Fold the flour into your wet ingredients in two batches. First batch, mix, mix, mix. Second batch, mix, mix, mix. If you feel that your batter is too lumpy, then you can just use an electric mixer for around 30 seconds to mix your batter together and get rid of the lumps, but make sure you don't overmix it. And now we're going to bake the batter. We're done with the cake part, and now we're going to cut this up. Now we're going to put these back into the oven to crisp up some more, and then our cake crust will be done. Have fun making these and have even more fun enjoying and eating them.